At the edge of a quiet village, there stood an old little house. The house looked normal in the daytime, but at night, something strange happened. Every night at midnight, the house sneezed. Achoo! People whispered, "Is the house haunted?" One night, a curious child named Timo decided to find out. The moon was bright. The wind whispered. Achoo! Timo whispered, "Bless you?" The house sniffed softly.
"I have dust," said the house sadly.
So Timo helped the house clean. They wiped, swept, and shook the curtains. The house sniffed one last time. That was the last one. From that night on, the house never sneezed again. But sometimes the house giggled quietly because it liked having company.